हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद करता हूं अच्छे होंगे। सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस वीडियो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू गाइस, इफ यू हैव एनी वर्क, डू इट राइट नाउ, finish it right now, because this video needs your full of concentration, full of energy. I am super excited for this video. Tell me why? Because till now we have learned all the concept and all the techniques, but to master any technique, we know we have to practice that technique. So that's why we are from this video, we are going to solve many problems on averages which comes in aptitude exams. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so before that, look at me. Those who are new to this channel, do not be uncomfortable, because this is going crash course. Now what do I mean by crash course? See that those who have already seen my previous video, then they will be definitely able to solve all the problems. But for them who are new, I am going to write all the techniques and all the concepts from scratch. I am going to teach you. So do not worry, I am here for you. So let's get started. Again, look at the screen. I will look at the screen. Do not look at me. So I will make it little bit big. So the problem says that the average marks of a group of 20 students on a test is reduced by 4 when the topper, who scored 90 marks, is replaced by a new student. How many marks did the new student have? Okay, so guys who have seen my previous videos, please stop this video and solve it within 5 seconds. Okay, but those who are new, I will solve for them. But before solving, I will give one example. Look at me now. In our college, we have many, like in month of Feb, there are many days like chocolate day, rose day. So just like that, let's consider today is chocolate day, and me and my friends have bought 10 chocolates. Okay, so each of us are having 10 chocolates. Now tell me guys, what is the average of chocolates we all are having? 10. Okay, that's good. Now we have bought 10 chocolates. Great. क्या होता है, सामने से हमारी क्रश आ जाती है, तो हमारे सबकी एक ही क्रश है. ओके, सो क्रश आ जाते, तो हम सब उसे अपने अपने मन से लाइक 4-4 चॉकलेट दे देते. तो अभी हाउ मच चॉकलेट्स वी आर हैविंग ईच ऑफ अस? 6. Great. Okay, that means now our average is 6. That means from initial average, it is reduced by 4. How much chocolates we have lost? Each of us lost 4 chocolates. That means 4 into 4, it's 60. Okay guys, you will be asking, अरे अभी ये 16 चॉकलेट्स का वो लड़की क्या करेगी? वो उसके क्रश को देगी. This is a sigma female rule. Okay, come back to the point. From initial average, our present average reduced by 4. That means each of us lost 4 chocolates. Okay, 4, 4, 4, 4. That's why it is reduced by 4. Okay, Similarly, in this problem also, it is saying that the average marks of a group of 20 students, and let's say these are my 20 students. On a test, it is reduced by 4. Great. It is not great, but it is reduced by 4. That means how much total marks we have lost, guys? In the previous example of chocolates, if our average is reducing by 4, that means we have lost 16 chocolates. So in this case, how much marks we have lost? 20 into 4, because there are 20 students and each of them have lost 4 marks. That means 80 marks we have lost. Why we have lost? Because in our group there was a topper who scored 90 marks. It is replaced by a new student. Okay. Now tell me guys, अगर 90 मार्क्स को अपन रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं और उस रिप्लेस मार्क्स से अपने को 80 मार्क्स का लॉस हो रहा है, मतलब माइनस. सो दैट मींस 90 माइनस लॉस मार्क्स कितना है? 80. So this is our new students marks. I will repeat the technique. First of all, we have to consider how much we have reduced our initial average. Okay, for how many people? 20 people. Okay, now what is the replacement value? 90. And now what we have lost? 80. Just do subtraction and you will get your answer. Easy guys. Let's go to the next problem. The average age of 24 students and the principal is 50 years. When the principal age is excluded, the average age decreased by 1 year. What is the age of the principal? Now I again say guys, if you have seen my lecture number, I think 3 or 4 or both of them, definitely you will be able to solve this problem. But for them who don't know, I will solve for them. But before that, I will give one more example of that chocolate only. Me and my 3 friends having 10 chocolates. Okay. Now our one more friends want to join my group. मतलब हमारे एक और दोस्त को हमारा ग्रुप ज्वाइन करना है. 10. Initial average हमारा 10 था. Now guys tell me guys, how much chocolates he should have such that our average will remain same. उसके पास कितने चॉकलेट रहने चाहिए जिसकी वजह से हमारा एवरेज रिड्यूस भी नहीं होना चाहिए और इंक्रीज भी नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be remain same. You are right. It should be same as average 10. Even if you remove 2 of them, then also all of them having 10 average only. Similarly, in this problem also, what they are saying, the average age of a 24 student and the principal is 50 years. That means 1, 2, 3 until this our what we say till 24 and 25. Assuming that this is our 25th is our principal. Okay, and all of them having average age as a 15 years. Okay, so students, can I assume all of them having age as 15? I can assume that. Okay, so I also assume that the principal age is 15. Great. Now if guys look at me, अगर प्रिंसिपल का एज भी 15 रहता Even if you remove that principal, एवरेज में कुछ फर्क पड़ता नहीं ना, एवरेज सेम ही रहता. But what they have told us, average decreased by 1 year. Okay, average decreased by 1 year. So that means like, first of all, I would like to tell one thing, one formula. If you haven't watched my previous video, guys, watch it carefully and note down. Okay, see that, guys, whenever removing someone, and because that our average decreasing, that means definitely he will be the more than average. Okay, and also when we are adding someone and our average increases, then also we can say that whatever we are adding, it is more than the average. Like, if you haven't understood this concept, I will recommend you to watch video number, like lecture number 5 or 6, like, yes, lecture number 5 you should watch. Also we can say that adding someone in the group and our average, what we say, decreases. Okay, that means he definitely less than the average. That means अगर हमारे पास 10 चॉकलेट्स है, ओके, और अभी हमारा एवरेज 10 है, बट समवन we are adding and he is having 5 chocolates. Look at the screen. Now tell me, guys, if we all having 10 chocolates and he is having 5 chocolates, then definitely our average will decrease by how much? 5 by 2, sorry, we will distribute 5 to all of them, it will reduce by 1, because each of them now will lose 1 chocolate. Okay, that means what I want to say, that this is 45, right? 45 by 5, 9. That means from initially it was 10, and when we added a person with 5 chocolates, average reduced by 1. That means whenever we are adding someone who is less than the average, then definitely average will decrease. Similarly, whenever we are removing someone which is less than the average, अगर समझो मैंने इसी को निकाल दिया ग्रुप से, again our average will become 10. Correct? Similarly, अगर मैंने किसी और को, मतलब a student having 20 chocolates we have added in group, now tell me our average will increase or decrease or remain same? It will increase. Okay, because initially it was having, we were having 10 chocolates each of us, but now this boy is having 10 extra chocolates. Okay, that means each of us, अगर 10 एक्स्ट्रा चॉकलेट है तो उसका एवरेज, एक्स्ट्रा एवरेज कितना रहेगा? अगर 5 में से निकालेंगे तो सबको एक्स्ट्रा, मतलब 2 चॉकलेट्स मिलेगा ज्यादा. That means our now average will become 12. I will repeat by this. sentence. Removing someone and average decreases, that means he is definitely more than the average. That means removing someone with having less chocolates, sorry, having more chocolates, and therefore his average decreases. That means he is having more chocolates. That means he is having more than the average. So similarly, removing someone and our average increases, and that's why he is less than the average. Okay, so why I'm telling you guys this, because this is what it signifies. मतलब यही इसी से हम डिसाइड करते हैं कि हम जो भी अज्यूम करें, इनिशियली व्हाट वी अज्यूम, all of them will have same age. We also assume that principal का age भी 15 रहेगा, but later on we get to know that average reduced by 1 year. Okay, and average reduced by 1 year means he will be more than the average. Okay, removing someone and average decreases, that means he is definitely more than the average. Then अगर ये सिचुएशन रहेगा ना, तो अपने को प्लस करना है एवरेज से, और अगर ये सिचुएशन रहेगा तो अपने को माइनस करना है. एवरेज डिक्रीज हो रहा है, मतलब ही इज डेफिनेटली मोर देन द 15, उसका एज डेफिनेटली 15 ईयर से बड़ा ही रहेगा, क्योंकि एवरेज डिक्रीज हो रहा है. कितना डिक्रीज हो रहा है गाइस? 1. कितने लोगों के लिए डिक्रीज हो रहा है? इनिशियली वी वर हैविंग 25, बट अगर ये 25 को निकाल देंगे तो अभी कितने पास मेंबर है? 24. So 1 into 24 is nothing but 24 plus this 15 is nothing but our 39. Okay guys, now tell me guys, अगर क्वेश्चन में ऐसे दिया होता कि एवरेज रिड्यूस बाय 0.5 years after removing principal. Now tell me guys, what is the age of the principal? I will give you 10 seconds. I'm waiting. I hope you have answered. Now I will tell how it is happening. Those who haven't still मतलब उनको अभी तक समझा नहीं. देखो मैंने क्या अज्यूम किया था, प्रिंसिपल का एज भी 15 रहेगा, पर वो बोल रहे कि एवरेज रिड्यूस हो रहा है, मतलब डेफिनेटली वो एवरेज से बड़ा है, मतलब वो 15 से बड़ा है, 15 से बड़ा ही है उसका एज. 15 प्लस अभी क्या बोल रहे, एवरेज कितना रिड्यूस हुआ है? 0.5. फॉर हाउ मेनी पीपल? फॉर 24 पीपल. ओके, सो 24 का 0.5 से अपन करेंगे तो वो रहेगा 12. करेक्ट. 24 बाय आवर 2 इज दिस इज 1 बाय 2. 0.5 तो अपन हाफ भी बोलते. ओके, सो 24 का हाफ रहेगा 12. 15 प्लस 12 रहेगा आवर 27. टेल मी गाइस, 5 से 10 सेकंड में ऐसे, मतलब ऐसे किया अपन. Okay, now we will solve next problem, a very interesting problem. Tendulkar has a certain average for 9 innings. In the 10th inning, he scored 100 runs, thereby increasing his average by 8 runs. His new average is, okay. Now what we have given in this, I will show you. Okay. तेंदुलकर हैज अ सर्टेन एवरेज फॉर 9 innings, मतलब उसका पूछते एवरेज है 9th इनिंग तक, अपने को पता नहीं, पर कांस्टेंट एवरेज है अपने पास. जैसे कि प्रीवियस वीडियो में देखा था, अपने पास 4 फ्रेंड्स थे, उनके पास 10 चॉकलेट थे, मतलब उनका 10 एवरेज था. वैसे ही 9 इनिंग तक कुछ तो कांस्टेंट एवरेज है अपने पास, एंड वी आर अज्यूमिंग दैट फ्रॉम इनिशियली इट इज हैविंग सेम एवरेज. बट व्हाट हैपेंड, तेंदुलकर ने अभी 100 स्कोर किया है उसके 10th इनिंग में. Okay, because he has scored 100, his average increased by 8 runs. That means for how many matches it is increased? In the last, see that in the last problem we have seen that average reduced by 4. That means we have to multiply by all the 4 people. Similarly, अगर इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो कितना, मतलब देखो 8 into 10, for 10 matches it is increasing. That means 80 रन एक्स्ट्रा है अपने पास, 80 रन एक्स्ट्रा ऐड हो गए हैं अपने इनिशियल वैल्यू में. अगर 10th इनिंग में 100 स्कोर किया है और उसकी वजह से 18 एक्स्ट्रा आ रहा है, दैट मीन्स उसका इनिशियल एवरेज 100 माइनस 80 20 रहेगा. व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय इनिशियल एवरेज? टिल 9 innings his average was 20. Okay, in this problem we have asked what is the new average. That means 10th inning में कितना रहेगा? It is nothing but 20 plus 8. Why 8? Because average is increasing for all. Okay, what will be the average for 11th inning? Okay, that will be 28 plus 8. What will be for our 12th inning? 28 plus 8 plus 8. Correct. So our answer is 20 plus 8. 28. Great. Now this is very interesting problem. Huh? This is a mixture of two and three tricks. But definitely you will be able to solve. Average age of a 8-person in a committee is increased by 2 years. When two men aged 35 years and 45 years are substituted by two women, find average age of two women. What they have said, two men are replaced by two women having age 35 plus 45, both of them having 80. But we are adding two women. Because we have added two women, our average increased by 2. अगर आपको याद नहीं होगा गाइस, तो मैं ये जो टेबल है फिर से दिखाता हूं. Adding someone and average increases. That means he is definitely more than the average. That means that two women are more than the two addition of the two men. How much it is more? They are saying that average increase by 2 years. That means total average कितना, sorry, total years कितना increase हुए? 8% की कमिटी है, increase by 2. That means 8 into 2, 16. So उनका एज रहेगा 18 plus 60, 96. But what they have asked, find the average age of a two women. Okay, find the average age of a two women. That means this 96 by 2 is our, what do you say, 49? No, 49 not. It will be 48. Yes, 48. Now guys, I will remove this and I will give a substitute problem like this. Considering that average reduced by 2 years. Now tell me, we are substituting 2 months. Now average reduced by 2 years. Tell me what is the average age of a 2 women? Average reduced by 2. reduce हो रहा है मतलब बताओ, वो इनिशियल एवरेज से कम रहेगा या ज्यादा रहेगा? They will be less than that. 35 plus 45 is our 80, but average reduce हो रहे हैं, मतलब we are replacing someone who is less than that. That means 80 minus how much average it is reducing? 2. For how many people? 8. That means their sum of total age is 64 for the 2 women, and the 64 by 2 is nothing but 32. See students, how fast we can do with this simple technique. Correct? So let's see our last problem. Average weight of a class of 29 student is 40 kg. This seems very interesting problem, huh? And I think now you will be able to solve this problem, because in the last 4 problems, we have seen all the concept, how we have to approach the problem. Similarly, we have to approach. So if the weight of the teacher is included, the average rises by 500 gram. What is the weight of the teacher? See that student, very simple technique. अपने को पहले अज्यूम यही करना है कि उनका एज, उनका वेट, उनका कुछ भी रहेगा वो सेम ही रहेगा. देन अपने को देखना है कि रिड्यूस हो रहा है या इंक्रीज हो रहा है. अपने को क्या बोला है कि 29 स्टूडेंट्स, एवरेज वेट ऑफ क्लास of 29 student is 40 kg. Okay, 40 kg. Okay, we will assume that अगर अपन टीचर को ऐड करें, उनका वेट भी 40 kg है. टेल मी गाइज, अगर उनका वेट भी 40 kg रहता तो एवरेज को कुछ फर्क पड़ता नहीं. पर यहाँ पे बोला है एवरेज 500 ग्राम से, मतलब केजी में हाफ केजी से इंक्रीज हुआ है. That means teacher definitely having weight more than the 40. See that, remember that chocolate one example. The guy who is having 20 chocolates, we are adding in our group, and our average increased by 2. Recall the concept. Okay guys, so that means it is more than the average, 40 plus. अगर एवरेज अपना रिड्यूस होता तो अपन बोल सकते थे कि मैडम बहुत पतली है, बिकॉज आवर एवरेज इज रिड्यूसिंग. 40 से कम है वो. अगर 40 है तो एवरेज सेम रहता. ओके गाइस, टेल मी नाउ, 0.5 kg बढ़ रहा है मैडम को ऐड करने के बाद. अभी मेरे को बताओ कितने लोगों के लिए बढ़ रहा है? इनिशियली 29 स्टूडेंट्स, मैडम को ऐड करने के लिए 30. 30 into 0.5 is nothing but 50, and 15 plus 40 is our 55. इधर गाइस, कितना आसान है. सिमिलरली अगर मैं बोलता हूं कि मैडम का जो अपन बोल रहे हैं ना, इंस्टेड ऑफ मैडम अपन स्टूडेंट को ऐड करते. वी आर एडिंग न्यू स्टूडेंट and average reduce by 0.5 kg. Okay, now solve this question. I will give you 10 seconds, sir. Without touching pen you will be able to solve. Great. That is the answer. We are assuming that student is also having, that new student is also having 40 kg. But what is saying that average reduce हो रहा है, मतलब माइनस करना पड़ेगा, किसी को ऐड कर रहे हैं और उसके वजह से अपना एवरेज रिड्यूस हो रहा है, दैट मींस ही इज डेफिनेटली हैविंग लेस देन द एवरेज. कितना लेस है? 0.5. कितने लोगों के लिए? 30 लोगों के लिए. दैट मींस 0.5 into 30 is our 15 and 40 minus 50 is 25. सिंपल. गाइस सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, ऐसे ही प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं. आप ना क्या करो, वेबसाइट से बहुत सारे indiabix.com करके है एप्टीट्यूड के लिए, उधर जाके एवरेजेस के क्वेश्चन सर्च करो. ऐसे ही प्रॉब्लम्स है और आप 5 से 10 सेकंड में सॉल्व करोगे. एंड नॉट ओनली फॉर एवरेजेस, अभी अपन दूसरे भी टॉपिक कवर करने वाले हैं. अपना ये एवरेजेस का सीरीज होने दीजिए, 2-3 और वीडियो में और प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम लेके खत्म कर देता हूँ इसको. एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स विद इन 5 to 10 सेकंड्स. जहाँ पे सब लोग जस्ट प्रॉब्लम रीड करते रहेंगे 2-3 बार, आप ऐसे ऐसा 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 करके सॉल्व करके करोगे. इतना कॉन्फिडेंस आपका बढ़ेगा ना मेरा वीडियो देखने के बाद, मेरी गारंटी गाइस. So hope you have understood all the concepts. This was a crash course. We will see few more problem in next 2 videos, and then we will end this series of averages. Okay. So we will see you in the next video. Till then,